Hello students, welcome to EVS online class. Today we are going to start our ninth chapter, name land. Children, those who have grandparents at home, you tell them to say a story to you. Yes, you all love stories and your grandparents know many stories and you force them to tell you a story. As the same way, here also one girl, her name is Seal, also says to her grandfather that she wants to listen a story. Maganbai, after taking his dinner, sat for watching TV. The baby seal came running to him. She said, "Grandfather, tell me a story." "Which story do you want to listen?" Grandfather asked. "The one which I enjoy the most," Seal said. "Okay," said the grandfather and began the story. Then the grandfather questions that, "Which story do you want to listen?" Then baby Seal give reply, "The one I enjoy the most, that story I want." Then grandfather told, "Yes." There was a small village. A potter named Maganbai stayed here. Every day he brings soil from the lake and prepares pots, bowls, etc. One day he prepared a small pot. He painted it colorful. The pot looked very beautiful now. He kept the pot in his shop for sale. The next day, Demeshbai was passing near by his shop. He saw the pot and immediately purchased it. His daughter Bindya became extremely happy after seeing this small pot in Demeshbai's hand. She said, "Papa, I will fill water in this small pot." "Okay," said Demeshbai. Children, here we can start with a story. Children, do you know who is a potter? Yes, potter is a person who make pot and here what is the name of potter? Yes, the name of potter is Maganbai and he lives in a village. So children, what does Maganbai do every day? He brings soil from the lake and prepare pot, bowls, etc. Children, you might have noticed that some potters, those who have making pots, they are coloring it very nicely with some sceneries, with some flowers print, with some stones, and they look very beautiful and we love to buy it. So in the same way, Maganbai also has kept these pots for sale. Now children, who bought the pots from Maganbai? Yes, Demeshbai bought the pots from Maganbai and he took it into his house. When Demeshbai took it to his house, his daughter became very happy. And what was his daughter name? Yes, Bindya. She is extremely happy and she took pot from her hand and told her father that, "Papa, I will fill water in this small pot." Then what did Demeshbai told? Yes, okay, you fill water in this pot. Now every day Bindya fills water using this small pot. One day the pot slipped from her hands. It fell down and broken into pieces. Heartbroken, Bindya collected the pieces and kept them behind the house. Children, here you can see that what happened one day. One day Bindya was filling the water in the pot. Then what happened? The pot fell down and broken into pieces. Now Bindya was very sad and she collected all the pieces of the broken pot and kept those pieces behind the house. The grandfather asked, "Now tell me, dear, what would happen to these pieces?" Now grandfather questions, what would happen those broken pieces of pot which Bindya kept behind the house? "Some girls like me must have used them for playing games," replied Seal. "You are correct. These pieces are mixed again with the soil." Hearing this, confused Seal asked, "What other things get mixed into the soil?" Children, you know Seal was very small child. So she didn't know that what would happen to those broken pieces of pot. Grandfather says that these pieces are mixed up the soil. Now children, here Seal is very small child and she had doubt that why grandfather is saying that those broken pieces of pot mixed with the soil. She again questioned her grandfather that what other things mixed into the soil. Children, we have one activity. Now just to see what things is required for this activity. Spade, sieve for sieving wheat, sieve for sieving wheat flour, thin cotton cloth, lumps of soil. Lumps of soil मतलब मिट्टी का बहुत बड़ा टुकड़ा. Take one lump of soil. Turn it into small particle size. Sieve it through the wheat sieving sieve. What is left into the sieve? Observe it and note. First take one lump of soil and it turn into small particle size and it sieve through the wheat sieving sieve and you see what is left into the sieve. Observe and note. Here sieve for sieving wheat mean the sieve which where mother is used for wheat. Keep the component left into the sieve separately. You will observe that small stones are left into the sieve and what is sieved out of the soil? Yes, another component of soil is sieved out of the soil. Now next activity. Collect the sieve part and sieve it with the sieve used for sieving flour. What is left into the sieve? Observe. Keep the components left into the sieve separately. Now what is left into the sieve? Sand is left into the sieve. And what is sieved out of sieve? Fine powder of soil is sieved out of sieve. Now activity 3. Collect the second time filtered soil and sieve it through cotton piece. What is left on in the cloth? Also observe the filtered component and note. Separate the component left into the cloth from those filtered from the cloth. What is left into the cloth? Silt is left into the cloth. And what is filtered out of the cloth? Fine powder of soil is filtered out of the cloth. Observation. Observe the filtered and leftover components for first, second and third time. Then think and say. Which components are obtained after sieving the soil with a different sieve size? After sieving the soil with a different sieve size, we obtain stones, sand, silt and dust present in it. Can there be any other components present in the soil? Yes, it can be water in the form of moisture, metals, minerals, organic fertilizer, etc. Moisture मतलब नमी. How do the amounts of different components affect the type of soil? If the amount of sand is more, then we call sandy soil. The amount of clay is more, then it is called clay soil. And the amount of silt is more, then it is called alluvial soil. According to the components of soil, the moisture holding capacity and the draining capacity of the soil also change. Okay student, balance portion we will study in second part.